What's up, gang? Today, we got another day of creek fishing. Found me another creek not too far from the house, so we gonna check it out and see what it's working with. Let's see what we got over here. Just spooked some. Oh, we got a fish on finally. Something. I don't think it's too big though. There we go. Yeah, there we go. A little bluegill. See what we got here. I hope the lighting's good enough so y'all can get a good look, but there we go. Ah, dog it. Let's get him off of here. There we go. Nice. Nice. Well, that skunk off us early. There you go. Let's see what else we got in here. What other species? It's a horrible cast. There we go. Almost. Uh-oh, fish on. There we go. Yeah. Get him on up here. There we go. Like just like the last one. Nice. Some pretty orange under there. I like that. Thanks, man. Alright, let's see. Get us another one. Let's get us another one. Try to move around a little bit. Fish on? Oh, no, damn it. Almost. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, fish on. Like a decent one, too. What we got here? Eat them up here. Oh, wow. Check this out. Who thought? A crappie? Yeah. Shit, get my pliers. Wow. Get up out of there. Right. Look at that. Can't beat that. Hell yeah. Mm-hmm. Nice. Thanks, man. That's fun. There we go. That makes it all worth it. Little stuff like that. Oh, shit. Oh, yeah. There's got to be another in there. Oh, no. Uh-oh, fish on. Yeah, fish on. There we go. Uh-huh. I'm trying to get up off of there. Get up over here. I gotta yeet you up here. It's a good size, too. Yeah. There we go. Just have my pliers where they go. Yeah. Pretty fish. Mm-hmm. That's what I'm talking about. Low crankbait. Are you fucking shitting me? Did y'all see that shit? Wow, what the fuck? The bird has my fucking, oh shit. You see that shit? That is fucking crazy. What the fuck? There it is right there. Yo, my heart is pounding. I gotta cut it. Oh my God. That is fucking wild. Damn. I know he regret that shit. Damn, that is wild. Am I recording? Oh my God. Yo, what the hell? Where's my knife? Look, there you go. That is fucking crazy. I've never had no shit like that happen. I feel bad, but what can I do? Damn. I gotta do something. Dang nabbit. That is crazy. Okay. The bird better not attack me. That is crazy, yo. That is fucking crazy. Straight up bullied me out of my crankbait. Yo, never have I had anything happen like that. That is crazy. Oh my God. Wow. Woo, shit. That still got me kind of shook. Oh man. Oh boy. Woo. Oh boy. Oh, you know what? Let me get set up. Let me take a break.